On October 6, 2016, the Utah Court of Appeals issued its decision in the case of In Re BC. Here's the link to the complete decision, which is also included in the description section below for this report. The mother appealed the order terminating her parental rights in the child whose name is initialed with BC. The Court of Appeals affirmed, under Utah Code Section 78A-6-507, the finding of a single ground will support termination of parental rights. The juvenile court found several grounds to support termination of mother's parental rights. The juvenile court concluded that mother abandoned BC, neglected BC, was unfit or incompetent as a parent, and made only token efforts to support or communicate with BC. After finding grounds for termination, the court concluded it was in the child's best interest that the mother's parental rights be terminated. Mother raised two claims in her petition on appeal. First, that the juvenile court erred in failing to allow her to admit evidence, including her exhibit book. Second, that the juvenile court erred in stating that she abandoned BC. The Court of Appeals construed the second claim as a challenge to the sufficiency of evidence to support the ground of abandonment. The Court of Appeals found that the record did not support the mother's claim that her evidence was not allowed. Neither did the mother preserve any objection to failure to admit any additional evidence. Accordingly, mother did not preserve any claim on appeal regarding the refusal to admit evidence. On the mother's second claim, mother asserted that the juvenile court erred in finding that she abandoned BC. However, mother did not challenge any of the remaining grounds relied upon by the juvenile court in its decision. Any of those unchallenged grounds is sufficient to support the juvenile court's determination that there were grounds for the termination of parental rights. Because mother does not challenge the grounds of neglect, unfitness, or token efforts, the court need not review her claim that the evidence was insufficient to support the grounds of abandonment. Mother also does not challenge the best interest finding. The Court of Appeals found, furthermore, that the juvenile court's findings and conclusions regarding mother's abandonment of BC were supported by the evidence. Because a foundation for the court's decision existed in the evidence and because the record does not support mother's claims, the Court of Appeals affirmed the juvenile court's order terminating the mother's parental rights.